Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch. And I did a tutorial on how to crochet the spiral hat, so I will put the link below. But for today I'm just going to show you how to crochet the stitch and just to see how the texture looks. I really like it. As you know, I love these hats. I've been crocheting these since 2012, I believe. Yeah, and they're very comfortable. You can make it for winter, you can make it for summer, and then yeah, but the stitch is new to me, so I just wanted to share, and I tried it on the hat and it looks fantastic. So let's get started on how to crochet the stitch. It's snowing here in Edmonton, Alberta. Never stops. Just to give you the view. Okay, let's get started on how to crochet this lovely stitch. The yarn that I have used is the Brimmed velvet yarn, and I used a smaller crochet hook to give that like it's a hat, right? So it has to be a little bit harder than it should be. Okay, so and I will put the link on how to crochet the entire hat. It's very easy and so simple. I did it a spiral round and around hat, so it's the same method, but just the technique is different. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let me move these so we won't get distracted. You don't have to use this yarn. It's just that I wanted to make one for myself, so that's why I bought it. I went and bought it. And I really enjoyed the color. Okay, so I'm going to make a magic loop. And then I'm going to chain 2. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make total of 10 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is going to be going round and around. Okay, so what I'm going to do is on this first, I'm just gonna make a single crochet. Okay, this is how we start the stitch. So you go between, you grab this, and then you go, well, for the first row we're going to do a double on each chain. So we started with 10, you should have total of 20. So what I do is I go, this is how it creates that stitch, when you poke your crochet hook like this, and then you go to the same chain, and then you should have 3 loops, and then pull it. I know this first can be hard to see, but oh my goodness, sorry about that. It gives you this these lines, and it gives you this nice texture. And I'll just show you the wrong side, and the wrong side is just a regular, because it's single crochet. It's done in single crochet, so this is how it looks like on the wrong side. Even the wrong side looks nice, but I really like this texture. And I believe they make stuffing animals using this technique as well. I'm not quite sure. So I repeat it. I go to the next chain, and then you should have 3 loops, and you pull it at once. And you just, this is only the thing that you do is different. You poke it, and you make a single crochet, and then you go to the next one. You have 3 loops, you pull it, you poke it, and then you make a single crochet, but you have 3 loops on your hook. So you go to the next one, pull it, if you're having a hard time, maybe I'm just curious, because I'm planning to make another hat. You know what, I'll just, with this, I will put the link onto when I'm making the another hat. Let me just try this on this yellow yarn that I have here. If you're having a problem, I don't know, maybe you will. Let me find the end of this yarn. Just in case, I'll show it with this yarn. I felt that you couldn't see it. Okay, so chain. Well, I just chain 2 like that when I say chain 2, and then you make total of 10. You don't have to, well, this is just I just wanted to show you the stitch, so I'm not going to show you how to crochet the hat. Let's say you made 10, and then you just join with a single crochet here. You grab it, it's nothing different fancy, and then you go to this single crochet that we just did, and then you pull it, and then you have 3 stitches. So we did 2 on the same, you do 2 2. So this gives you this, when you do this trick, that gives you that texture. This is all we do all the way. We crochet round and around. Lots of crocheting involved. Of course, when you're crocheting a hat, just like this. And then let's say this is all to it. Great, my yarn is tangled. Oh boy. Because I'm taping, right? Everything happens when you're taping. So the next row is 2 1 2 1. No, I'm sorry, 2 2 1. What am I doing? So 2 2 1. I noticed it when it was, I had to crochet more. You feel it when you need to crochet more than you should, like you need to do more doubles. Even with this yarn, it shows. 2. See, well, this yarn is thinner than the velvet, but you can see I did a double crochet. You can see the difference. I did a single crochet here. So you see these lines that create this lovely stitch. It's remarkable. So I just had to share it with you guys. Don't go like this. So when you go like this, you go to the next one to create the stitch. See, I did a single crochet, I think, there. I don't know what I did, but it doesn't look right. just like this. So I hope you like. I just wanted to share you how to crochet the stitch to create this lovely lines when you're crocheting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!